Alright, today on NBK Outdoors we're going to be setting some dog-proof coon traps. Right here, if you look right there, that's tracks, raccoon tracks. So I picked this little tree here to set it by. They're pretty easy traps. I don't know if you can see down in there, but there's a marshmallow in the bottom. I'm just gonna stake it. If I can get it in here. And then just press clear the snow away a little. Just press the stake on the trap down in so it's on a little bit of an angle. And then for an attractant, got some of these fish oil tablets. And they smell really bad. You just squirt that around. And that's about it. That's how I run my Duke dog proof coon traps. Tomorrow I'll do a video if I catch something here. If not, get back to you soon. NBK Outdoors.